it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today is the first day of our sneak peeks for our February box. This box is called Sweet Little Birds and it is adorable. It's got rainbows, birds, birdhouses. This will get you in the mood for spring for sure. So I'm going to share today's reveal. We're going to make a cute little project. I'm also going to have on the screen some rewards you can earn as a subscriber. So this promo started January of this year. So if you are subscribed to the box of the month for 6 months, on your 6th box, we'll be sending you this beautiful donut paper pad with your box. If you're subscribed to the Paper Pad Club or the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, every 6 months you will get a new pack of enamel dots. If you're subscribed to the box of the month for a whole year, you will earn this beautiful 4x6 stamp set called Sweet Treat. So just a little treat for you guys. When you subscribe to our box of the month or any of our subscriptions, you get an 18% off discount from what you see on the website. To subscribe, there's a drop-down menu that will ask what is your frequency. You'll choose monthly, and that will get you into the club. To read more about our clubs, I'll also link our landing page in the description box. So let's take a look at these products a little closer. We have a really cute stamp set here called So Tweet. I love it. It's just so whimsical. You get this really great frame that you could stamp maybe a sentiment in. You could put the smiley face in there. It could be a little backdrop for your little bird. You could put the smiley face on this cute little birdhouse. There's a flower cluster. There's a little trail for the bird with a heart, another little heart. There's some music notes. You can have your little bird singing, tweeting away. We have the sentiment So Tweet, Home, Tweet Home, Stay Curious, and Believe. So really nice set. We're gonna color that up today. We have Sweet Little Bird, a 6x6 paper pad. Really pretty colors in here. We've got yellows, blues, pinks, a splash of like orange. And you got some cute, sweet little birds, some tone-on-tone, like a speckled pattern there, and this one's a little raindrop pattern. And then those cute little birds on pink and on white. Another speckled page. And then we've got a tone-on-tone geometric pattern here. And then sweet little birds. This one's got the little birdhouse. A tone-on-tone buttercup yellow. There's little florals in the background, little polka dots. Super adorable paper pad. You get 4 of each design. And then let's take a closer look at all the ephemera you get. So we're going to do 3 days of sneak peeks. Meet Teresa, who is fresh and renewed with Teresa. Back on the channel tomorrow, she'll be sharing day 2, and then I'll be back on day 3, and then on release day, which is February 1st, I will be doing a live party. So I'm going to spread these all out for you. These birds are adorable. We've got some hearts with some sentiments. The world needs more of you. That's really cute. We've got some floral bouquets in here. Pretty flower in purple. More flowers. Cute birds and the birdhouses. There's one on a branch. So I'm going to take color inspiration from this sheet here. I'm going to do the little birdhouse in grays. So I'm going to play some music and speed through the coloring so we could get the card done. We have 2 cards to make, one with the stamp set and one with the ephemera pack. So I hope you enjoy the coloring. So here's all my images cut out. I will have the die listed available on the website on February 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. The stamps are exclusive to the box until the following month. If I have any leftovers, I will list them at that time. The paper and the ephemera are available for individual purchase. They will be listed under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop. I cut this panel down just a 1/4 inch smaller so there's a little frame. Then this panel here is going to measure the same length as this panel, and you could make it as thick as you want. I just wanted to break up the pattern a little bit. And then I'm taking a peel off strip, and I thought this blue glittery color would kind of bring out the blue in the paper. So I thought this would be a cute spot to add a little sentiment. So we can fit this "Stay Curious" on there, or "So Tweet." So let's kind of lay this out so I kind of know where I want to position that sentiment. Looks like more at the top here, so let's get that stamped out. Okay, so I have my layout. Let's glue this one down first. Okay, so let's finish up the next card. We're going to use the Sweet Little Bird paper pad and the coordinating ephemera. Here are the two sheets I pulled out of the paper pad. We've got a nice pattern. We've got a tone on tone. And then on the back, we have the splatter and then the birds on blue. But I think I'm going to use the birds on white with the tone on tone and the splatter. I picked out some of my elements here. I have this piece left over from when I cut this. It's the back of this. And I'm going to add it to the bottom to break up some of the pattern. I cut it a little short, so I'm going to add this strip that was left over from our first card and add it to the side. There's always a way to fix your mistakes. I didn't want to waste this piece of paper. So we're just going to find the edge on this side, line it up perfectly, make sure it's lined up on the bottom, and then there's just a little tiny part that wasn't being covered, so we're going to use this strip right down the side. So I'm really excited about the box this month. It's super just bright and cheery. It's going to get you in the mood for the spring. I know a lot of us has been getting really cold temperatures and snow, so I hope this box cheers you up. And remember, you can get the paper and the ephemera for individual purchase. So if you wanted to buy extra or you just wanted paper and ephemera, those will be available on the website on the 1st. Under the Not Too Shabby section in the shop, I will have all the leftovers from last month's box listed in the Not Too Shabby section. So if you missed out on getting those princess and fairy stamps, those are now available. as of the 1st of February. So we'll probably have a little space here to stamp a sentiment. I'm going to curve the sentiment Home Sweet Home and stamp it right there on my circle. So to curve your sentiment, you can just add it to where you want it, pick it up, and then kind of maneuver it on your stamping block or platform until you get it in the right position. So let's bring this down just a little bit. Try to get that perfectly. And bring this up just a little bit. I think that's gonna do it right there. So let's go ahead and stamp that out. There, isn't that cute? Home, sweet home. Now I could lay down my little birdhouse. And then we'll pop up these birds here. And then this little flower I thought we could add somewhere. That looks like a good spot. And then the heart right there. So let's add some foam tape. And that completes the second card. I hope you enjoyed that. Let's bring in the first card so we can take a look. So here's the one with the stamp set. Here's the one with the ephemera. They are both cute. If you have a favorite, leave it down below. I love reading your comments, and thank you so much for watching, and meet Teresa back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time to see what she creates for you. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.